What's up? This is Matt from GoTherax. I want to go over short arc quads in this video. So short arc quads, we're going to be using something like a foam roll or something like have some other rolls of mats over there that would lift my leg up a little bit so that I am going to have some room for motion. This is the typical position we see for a short arc quad. We've got the knee bent, it's just above the hip, and we have a little bit of a bend at the knee that's going to allow us to squeeze through that quad muscle and pull that leg to straight, and then to slowly unlock it and bring that heel back down to the mat. Generally, we have people do this seated like I am now, which is called long sitting. You can also do this lying back all the way. Same thing, it's a little bit easier seated, it's easier lying down than it is seated. So we want to make sure that we get stronger here. And I like this one better because we can look at and think about, am I turning this muscle on? Am I using it? If you're doing short arc quads, it's because we're working on terminal knee extension. We're working on getting that knee as straight as possible. And because we really want to turn this quad muscle on. So I'm going to pull it up, I'm going to squeeze, I'm going to pull that toe back, I'm going to squeeze through that quad with that toe back and really get some tension to lock out that knee before I bring it down slowly in control. Those are short arc quads. Thanks.